No, respectable audience, I have a question. 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 4. We have to move from left to right. So first of all, we have to divide 8 by 4. When we divide 8 by 4, we will get 2. Similarly, it is also in parentheses, so we can solve it directly. So 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2. It is also in parentheses, so we can solve it directly. So it is also 2. Now question is, first of all, we have to solve division or multiplication. This problem has been solved by PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first of all, parentheses should be solved, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but the operation which is at left will be performed first. So we have to divide first. 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1 times 2. So 1 times 2, we will get 2, which is our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.